Many woodworkers face a big choice. Do you build your own table saw, or do you buy one from a store? This decision is important for your craft. It shapes how your workshop functions. It can affect the kinds of projects you undertake. Let's take some time to think about this choice. It is a fundamental woodworking question after all. Many of us have pondered it. It deserves careful consideration. This discussion is meant for everyone. It does not matter if you are new to woodworking. It also does not matter if you are very skilled. All woodworkers can find some benefit here. We aim to help you understand the options. We will look at both sides of this coin. The primary goal is to give you solid information, so you can pick what is truly best for you. And for the work you intend to do, your workshop is your sanctuary. Choose wisely. Our main goal today is quite simple. We will compare building a table saw versus buying one. We will clearly show the good parts of each. We will also honestly show the challenging parts. This information helps you decide with wisdom. You must think about your own specific needs. Consider the space you have in your workshop, and of course what you dream of building. These factors will guide your important decision. No single answer fits all. Making your own tools offers a deep satisfaction. There is a real tangible sense of accomplishment there. It connects you directly to the long tradition of craft. It is a testament to your skill and ingenuity. But a store-bought saw usually offers proven reliability. It often comes with warranties and customer support, and it has specific, thoroughly tested safety features. Each path has its own distinct reward and appeal. Let us now dig deeper into these two options. We will explore what each entails. To build a DIY table saw, you need certain materials. Plywood is a common choice for the table surface. You will certainly need a good functional circular saw. This handheld saw becomes the heart of your new machine. Some more ambitious designs might use a separate, dedicated motor. You might also need parts like bearings and an arbor. Fasteners such as screws, nuts, and bolts are absolutely key. Careful selection and sourcing of these parts is important. The quality of your materials will affect the final saw. Plan this stage with attention to detail. You also need the right set of tools for the job. Drills, various clamps, and drivers are essential. Your measuring tools must be precise and accurate. Always, and I mean always, use your safety gear. Building this machine involves several distinct steps. First, you must construct a very sturdy and flat table. Then you will mount the circular saw securely underneath it. Finally, you need to build a reliable and adjustable fence system. This fence is crucial for straight, repeatable cuts. How well does a homemade table saw actually work? It can certainly cut wood, that is its basic function. For making simple, straightforward cuts, it can be quite useful. It might handle smaller, less demanding projects well enough. The overall power depends entirely on your circular saw. Or, it depends on the specific motor you have chosen. With good, careful construction, it can be an adequate tool. It can serve a purpose in a budget-conscious workshop. But you must always be aware of its limits. Do not ask more of it than it can safely deliver. Homemade table saws definitely have their limitations. Achieving high accuracy can be a significant challenge. Making perfectly square and consistent cuts is often harder. The power might not be sufficient for thick hardwoods. Safety features are usually quite basic or even absent. You must consciously design and build them in yourself. Durability over the long term can also be a concern. It might not last as long as a commercial-grade saw. Wear and tear can affect its performance over time. Regular maintenance and checks are very important. High-end table saws offer a host of significant benefits. They are equipped with powerful, robust motors. These motors can cut through even tough, dense wood easily. Their fence systems are engineered to be very precise. Many feature heavy, stable cast iron tops. These tops provide excellent stability and consistent flatness. Good, effective dust collection is a common feature. This helps to keep your workshop cleaner and healthier. These machines are designed for serious woodworking tasks. They are built to perform day in and day out. Accuracy is one of the major distinguishing differences. Commercial table saws are built for exacting precision. Their adjustments are fine, smooth, and they hold true. Safety features are also considerably much better and more advanced. They often include essential components like riving knives. Proper blade guards are standard and designed to be effective. Some premium models even have flesh-sensing safety technology. This remarkable feature can prevent truly serious injuries. Investing in safety is always a wise decision. Your well-being is paramount in the workshop. Professional saws offer substantial long-term benefits to users. They are meticulously built to be exceptionally durable. They can reliably handle daily, heavy, and demanding use. This inherent toughness means they provide reliable service for years. They also often hold their monetary value quite well. So if you decide to upgrade later, resale can be a good option. They empower you to confidently tackle almost any project, no matter how intricate or demanding it might be. This capability can expand your woodworking horizons. It allows for growth in skill and project complexity. Now, let's talk frankly about the cost involved. Building your own table saw is undeniably cheaper up front. The direct material costs are significantly much lower. A high-end commercial table saw is a big financial investment. It can easily cost several thousands of dollars or more. But it is important to understand what you are paying for. You are paying for superior quality and engineering. You pay for lasting precision, power, and advanced safety. Consider it a serious investment in your craft and your future. Sometimes quality is worth the higher initial price. The DIY table saw option certainly requires specific skills. You need to have good, solid woodworking knowledge already. You should also possess some basic electrical understanding. Building a safe and functional saw takes considerable time. It is definitely not a quick, casual weekend project. Great care and unwavering precision are very important. If you rush the process, the saw can be unreliable or unsafe. Patience is indeed a virtue when undertaking such a build. The responsibility for its safe operation rests with you. This is a serious undertaking, not to be taken lightly. You must carefully think about the projects you plan to do. Are you primarily interested in making small, simple crafts? Or do you aspire to build large, intricate, fine furniture? A DIY saw might be adequate for simpler, less critical tasks. For precise, complex work, you should consider a high-end saw. Also, how often will you actually use the table saw? Daily, consistent use demands a truly robust and durable machine. Occasional hobby use might allow for a simpler, homemade solution. Be honest about your needs and future aspirations. This will help guide you to the right choice. Your available budget is, of course, a very big factor. A DIY saw can save you a lot of money up front. This can be a great advantage for woodworking beginners, or it can help those working with very limited funds. However, you should also think about potential future upgrades. You might eventually outgrow the capabilities of a DIY saw. A quality commercial saw, on the other hand, can last a lifetime. Sometimes, patiently saving up for the right tool is worthwhile. It can prevent buying twice or compromising on your work. So what is the final best choice for your workshop? A DIY table saw is affordable and can be rewarding to build. It offers a unique connection to your tools and craft, but it may lack the precision, power, and safety of others. A high-end saw offers superior power, accuracy, and safety. It is a reliable workhorse built for demanding tasks. However, it costs significantly much more money. Carefully consider your skills, your budget, and your project needs. We sincerely hope this overview helps your important decision-making. Please share your own experiences and thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to check out more resources and guides on our site.